Hello friends, in last video we have seen that the Trojans, when they came out to fight against the Greek, they got that year surprise because the beach was empty. Means there were not that year any that Greek soldiers. The total beach was clean and silent. So that year the Trojans, they became very happy, and by wandering they got that a big wooden horse, and at the feet of the wooden horse they got a Greek soldiers. The Greek soldiers became successful in making them out of the path. That means he made a false story, and the Greek soldiers, that means the Trojans, they fell in that false story, and as that they dragged the big wooden horse in their city. They broke down the walls and they dragged. The same that at that time the news spread all over the Troy city, and all Trojans gathered and they came out from their houses and they started to enjoy the whole day from morning to late evening. All the soldiers and common people of Trojans, they enjoyed because it was the silence, peace after the war. They were in misunderstanding that it was the end of the long war, long enemy. That enemy fly away, they gave up, and it was the winning of Trojan. So in that misunderstanding, Trojans, they were that enjoying the party. Means that the whole day from morning to late evening they were busy in the enjoying. After that tired, all Trojans went to sleep in fast, and as that the Greek soldiers, they were waiting for that night. The Greek soldiers, they sailed out, but they were not far away from the Troy city. Nearby the island, they hid themselves and they were waiting for the night. As soon as that year night spread, the same that they sailed their ships towards the Troy city, and they came very close to the Troy city, and this was not understood by the Trojans. And as that the light, the red light sprang up in the sky, means it was the signal of Greek soldiers to each other that they were ready to attack. And by seeing that red signal, those people, means those soldiers, that Menelaus and other soldiers were hid themselves inside the wooden horse. They also climbed down from the wooden horse, and they also gave the red signal to each other. And as that they got the signal, they became that year ready for to attack on the sleeping that Trojans. And as they all the soldiers came out, they opened that gate, and the whole army of Greek entered in the Troy city. And as that they entered, the soldiers scattered in different parts of the Troy city. But this also the Trojans did not understand, because they were fast asleep, and after a long day they were in peaceful, silently they were sleeping, so that they could not understand also. And plus from morning to late night they were busy in enjoying the party, so that they were fast asleep. And as that the Greek soldiers entered in the city, entered in the Troy city, they fired the houses, temple, that church, and other all those buildings, even palace also, all those buildings they fired. And as that the flame were flying up in the sky, the heat increased, and by getting that heat very hot, that some that Trojans woke up from their fast sleep. As soon as they woke up, they came out from their houses, but it was the bad luck. That means what? That here the soldiers, the Greek soldiers, were on the road with ready their weapons, and as soon as the people, they means Trojans, came out from their houses, Greek soldiers killed them. And these, that's after some time, some soldiers came to know that Greek soldiers, mean their enemy, entered in their city. And as they came to know, they became ready to fight, and they opened their gate, means their houses, and came out. But Greek soldiers, mean their enemy, was that ready at their doorstep. And as soon as they came out, they killed them again. The same that Greek soldiers, they killed many women also and children also. Means there was only sounds of that crying little children and women, and even there was a noise of weapons also. Means some soldiers, Troy soldiers, became ready, and they came out and they started to fight against their enemy, means Greek army, means that Greek soldiers. And in this way, that very few soldiers were fighting against many Greek soldiers, so that at last it means result was the same. As that the Greek, they fired all that houses, that even that palace and all the towers also, so that the Troy city very easily and in no time turned into flames, means that here fire. And that after that fire, the sky also that lit up with the light of the flames. And there was only on the ground level, there was sounds were there, but it was only in the sky, there was only the light of that fire, and it was silent, that sky. And as that after that, the king of Greek, Menelaus, he was in search of his wife, means Helen. And as that here in searching, he entered in the firing, that means that palace, that Helen was in the corner of that hall. And by seeing to her former husband, she was shamefully fall down her neck. She had no words how to say sorry to Menelaus, but with broad-mindedly, Menelaus accepted again to Helen, and then he took Helen to Greek again. In this way, that what? All that Trojans were killed in within that night time only. Yesterday they enjoyed daytime, and they could not understood, even there was nothing, a single sight also, or single thought also, that tomorrow that all that here Troy city will, that this prosperous Troy city will turn into the heaps of that ash. Everywhere only ash and ash, and that broken houses were there. Oh, nobody remained there. Very that here all were that seriously wounded people only remained there. Means that soldiers, and they were also waiting for their death. In this way, what that? It is the end of that Troy city. So that all that means that the king, in this way, at last it was the end of that old Trojan king frame also. he was killed in that war, means at that night time. And plus his family members were also already step by step, time by time killed in that war. And all those who were women, his wife and that his daughter, and all those were that they dragged towards the Greek as the, that means it is the winning of that war. And then as a slavery they sent to the Greek. In this way, that the prosperous, that happy Troy city turn in night time, and that turn into the heaps of that ashes, that nobody could say that the 10 years they fought against Greek, and they fought very bravely, but because of wrong decisions. That first wrong decision means that Paris came from Greek with Helen. This is one wrong decision. And last means what? They brought big wooden horse by breaking the great wall. So that these two wrong decisions became the that very unlucky for that Troy city. So in this way, in our life also, that we face many difficulties. So while taking the decision, think before it. So in this way, the end of Troy story. Thank you.